The human brain is a complex and powerful organ, responsible for everything from regulating bodily functions to processing emotions and memories. Its health is influenced by a combination of genetic factors, lifestyle choices, and daily habits. While some of these factors, like age and genetics, are beyond our control, the habits we cultivate play a crucial role in maintaining cognitive function and protecting against mental decline. Neurons, the building blocks of the brain, communicate through electrical and chemical signals, forming intricate networks that control our thoughts, behaviors, and physical actions. These neural connections are highly adaptable, a phenomenon known as neuroplasticity. Positive habits such as regular exercise, a balanced diet, and mental stimulation strengthen these networks and enhance brain function. Conversely, negative habits can weaken them, impairing cognitive abilities and increasing the risk of neurodegenerative diseases. For example, chronic stress releases excessive cortisol, a hormone that, in high levels, can damage the hippocampus, an area of the brain essential for learning and memory. Similarly, a lack of sleep reduces the brain's ability to clear harmful toxins, contributing to memory lapses and slower cognitive processing. Poor dietary choices such as consuming excessive sugar or unhealthy fats can also trigger inflammation, impairing neural function over time. Understanding how habits affect brain health is the first step toward making informed lifestyle changes. Each decision we make, from what we eat to how we manage stress, has a cumulative impact on our cognitive well-being. Recognizing the importance of this connection empowers us to adopt healthier routines, which can significantly improve brain function and lower the risk of cognitive decline. By understanding the science behind brain health and neuroplasticity, we can appreciate how much control we have over our mental clarity and longevity. Small, consistent changes in our daily habits can lead to substantial benefits, ensuring a sharp and resilient mind throughout life. Among the many habits that affect brain health, there is one that stands out for its alarming impact: excessive screen time and prolonged exposure to digital devices. This habit, prevalent in modern lifestyles, has been linked to a decline in cognitive function and can affect the brain in as little as a few minutes of continuous use. When we engage with screens for extended periods, especially on social media or while multitasking, our brains enter a state of hyperstimulation. This flood of stimuli overwhelms the prefrontal cortex, the region responsible for decision-making, focus, and emotional regulation. The constant barrage of notifications, videos, and images fragments our attention, making it difficult for the brain to process information efficiently. Over time, this leads to a condition known as digital fatigue, characterized by poor concentration, memory lapses, and reduced problem-solving skills. Moreover, blue light emitted by screens suppresses the production of melatonin, the hormone that regulates sleep. Sleep deprivation, even for a single night, can impair the brain's ability to form and consolidate memories. Research also shows that individuals who frequently engage in late-night screen use experience a higher risk of anxiety, depression, and even structural changes in the brain, such as reduced gray matter in areas linked to cognition and emotional control. Another concerning aspect of excessive screen use is its impact on dopamine levels. Digital content, especially social media, is designed to trigger dopamine surges, creating a cycle of instant gratification. This not only diminishes our ability to focus on tasks that require sustained effort but also rewires the brain's reward system, making it harder to find pleasure in offline activities. Understanding the dangers of this habit is essential for taking proactive steps to limit its impact. By reducing screen time, particularly before bed, and practicing mindfulness to combat digital overload, you can protect your brain from rapid decline and foster better mental clarity and resilience. The brain is remarkably resilient, but when subjected to harmful habits, it often sends warning signs that should not be ignored. Recognizing these early indicators of cognitive stress can help prevent more severe damage over time. One of the most common signs is mental fatigue. If you find yourself struggling to focus, forgetting simple details, or feeling mentally drained after short tasks, your brain may be overwhelmed. This often occurs when multitasking becomes a regular part of your routine, leading to fragmented attention and a reduced ability to process information efficiently. Another red flag is increased irritability or mood swings. The brain's emotional regulation centers, particularly the amygdala, can become overactive when under constant stress or overstimulation. This may lead to feelings of frustration, anxiety, or even mild depressive symptoms. Additionally, difficulty managing emotions or reacting disproportionately to minor inconveniences may indicate underlying cognitive strain. Sleep disturbances are also a clear signal. Trouble falling asleep, staying asleep, or waking up feeling unrefreshed often points to an overactive mind. This disruption not only impacts memory consolidation but also hampers the brain's ability to clear toxins, such as beta-amyloid plaques, which are associated with Alzheimer's disease. Physical symptoms can also manifest when the brain is under stress. Persistent headaches, particularly tension headaches, may result from prolonged screen time or mental overload. Some individuals also report eye strain, neck pain, or a sense of tightness in the forehead, which often stems from poor posture during device use or insufficient breaks. Lastly, a decline in problem-solving skills and decision-making abilities might signal that your brain is struggling. Tasks that once felt straightforward may suddenly seem daunting, reflecting an impaired ability to analyze and synthesize information. If you notice any of these signs, it's essential to take action. Small changes such as scheduling regular breaks, practicing relaxation techniques, or engaging in brain-boosting activities can help alleviate stress and restore cognitive balance. Recognizing and addressing these symptoms early is key to preserving long-term brain health. Breaking harmful habits such as excessive screen time is essential for maintaining optimal brain function. While it may seem challenging, small, consistent changes can make a significant difference in reducing cognitive stress and improving overall mental clarity. The first step is establishing screen time limits. Set specific times during the day to use digital devices and stick to them. For instance, try implementing a digital detox period, 30 minutes to an hour before bedtime, to allow your brain to wind down. Replace this time with relaxing activities such as reading a book, practicing mindfulness, or engaging in light stretching exercises. Creating a tech-free environment in certain spaces like the bedroom or dining area can further reduce unnecessary exposure to screens. Use these areas for relaxation or meaningful conversations, which can help strengthen social bonds and reduce feelings of isolation associated with excessive device use. To combat digital fatigue, adopt the 20-20-20 rule. Every 20 minutes, take a 20-second break and focus on something at least 20 feet away. This simple practice helps reduce eye strain and allows your brain to reset. Pair this with regular physical activity, as exercise boosts blood flow to the brain, enhancing cognitive function and reducing mental fatigue. Mindfulness techniques such as deep breathing or meditation are also powerful tools for protecting brain health. These practices help lower cortisol levels, promoting relaxation and improving focus. Even a few minutes of daily mindfulness can rewire the brain to handle stress more effectively. Finally, prioritize activities that stimulate cognitive growth. Replace passive screen scrolling with hobbies that challenge your brain, like puzzles, learning a new skill, or playing a musical instrument. These activities not only foster neuroplasticity but also create a sense of achievement, reinforcing positive behaviors. Breaking harmful habits takes time and patience, but the rewards are worth the effort. By implementing these strategies, you can safeguard your brain against the detrimental effects of overstimulation and cultivate a sharper, healthier mind. Maintaining brain health over the long term requires consistent effort and a holistic approach that combines healthy habits, mental stimulation, and regular checkups. These strategies not only protect against cognitive decline but also enhance memory, focus, and overall mental clarity. One of the most effective ways to support long-term brain health is through a nutrient-rich diet. Foods high in antioxidants such as berries, leafy greens, and nuts help combat oxidative stress, which can damage brain cells over time. Omega-3 fatty acids found in fatty fish like salmon are essential for maintaining the integrity of brain cell membranes and supporting neurotransmitter function. Including whole grains, avocados, and other sources of healthy fats in your diet can also improve blood flow to the brain, ensuring it receives the nutrients and oxygen it needs to function optimally. Physical exercise is another cornerstone of cognitive health. Activities like walking, swimming, or yoga promote the release of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, a protein that supports the growth and survival of neurons. Regular exercise also reduces the risk of conditions like high blood pressure and diabetes, which can impair brain function if left unmanaged. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate exercise per week to reap these benefits. Mental stimulation is equally important. Challenge your brain by learning new skills, solving puzzles, or engaging in activities that require focus and creativity. Research shows that lifelong learning and cognitive engagement help build cognitive reserves, which can delay the onset of age-related cognitive decline. Sleep hygiene should also be a priority. Establish a consistent sleep schedule and create an environment conducive to rest, free from digital distractions. Quality sleep not only helps consolidate memories but also clears toxins that accumulate during waking hours. Finally, regular medical checkups are vital for detecting and managing conditions that may affect brain health, such as high cholesterol or thyroid imbalances. Stay proactive by monitoring your cognitive function through assessments and seeking medical advice if you notice changes in memory, attention, or mood. By adopting these long-term strategies, you can cultivate a resilient and vibrant mind, ensuring your cognitive health remains strong well into the future.